Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over how I take care of my nails in between manicures. Let's jump right into it. I like to start off with a cuticle softener, a cuticle pusher. If you prefer clippers, you can do that as well. I do prefer using a glass nail file, but any nail file will do, as well as some nail clippers. I like to use the OP Nail Envy nail strengthener. This hardens my nails in between manicures. I really enjoy the Zoya polish remover nail cleaner. I love the smell of it as well. I like using the Shea Sugar Scrub. This is optional, but I just prefer using it. As well as some lotion, just to use daily, something that nourishes your skin. First thing I like to do is apply the cuticle remover to each finger, right where that smile line is. And then I will gently push back the cuticles as well as push forward any overgrown cuticle skin that has stuck to the nail and now needs to be removed. Again, I prefer doing it this way than using clippers. I do not do well with clippers, either someone clipping my nails or me clipping my cuticles. It never ends well. It's very painful and the skin just peels back. I don't like that process. When I'm finished, I do wipe off the cuticle remover and I then wash my hands. I next clip my nails into whatever desired shape I'm looking for. At this point of my manicure, I was looking to do an almond shape. But feel free to clip your nails into whatever shape it is you're looking for. I then like to use the glass file to file my nails down into that shape. The one thing that I do love about glass files is that it doesn't take very much to shape the nail, so it's definitely something that speeds up time in comparison to other nail files that I've used in the past. I trust my life into glass nail files, so that's just something that I prefer to use. I definitely recommend getting yourself a nail file, and it doesn't really get old and crusty like those plastic ones do, so that's also a plus. I then take the nail buff and I do buff the underside of each nail. Once you use that nail file, you will notice those little nail bits that are very annoying that get under the nail. I like to buff those off, and then I will go in and buff the top of my nail as well. If you are leaving your nail natural, buffing and shining will just do it justice. If you are going to then move on to polish or dip powder processes, I do recommend just leaving it at the buffing stage. I then use the Shea Sugar Scrub and I gently scrub my cuticle area and my hands. This just gets up any bits and it leaves my hands very soft and very, very smooth. If I'm prepping for a natural nail at this point, I will use a polish remover and I will just go ahead and put that on each nail. Again, I love Zoya's. The smell is very nice. It's very pleasant and it's not harsh and it has some natural oils in it as well. And this is just to clean off the basic parts of the oils off of your nails. And then I use a coat of nail strengthener every few days. Every nail strengthener has its own specific directions. I would follow those directions. If I'm prepping my nails for a coat of polish, again, I'll do the same thing, clean the oils from my nails using the Zoya nail polish remover. And then I'll go straight into my manicure. Always make sure you use a base and a sealant. You want your manicures to look beautiful and last as long as possible. If I'm prepping my nail for dip powder, water. However, the process is a little bit different. I will actually use 100% acetone. This gets all of the oils completely off of my nails and dries it. I do have a dip process nail video. You can go ahead and watch that one to see how that process actually goes. And at the end of every nail prepping that I do, I always use a cuticle oil. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as to my Instagram for new videos and posts. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys like? What kind of content do you need? You let me know.